So, hello everyone, my name is Charanaditya. I am working as an assistant professor at Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. So, today we are going to talk about adulteration in milk. So, we all know that milk is an very essential source of nutrients in India and all over the world. So, the milk is getting adulterated more frequently, and many of us don't know the techniques to find out how the milk is adulterated. So in this topic we are going to see about how the adulteration process takes place and how can we identify the adulterants. Okay, about milk. So milk may be defined as the whole fresh clean lactal secretion that is obtained by the complete milking of one or more animals, healthy animals, excluding that obtained within days before or 5 days after calving, that is the birth of calf. So the composition of milk contains water 87 percentage, fat 3 percentage, then milk sugar, casein, albumin, ash, and other constituents or minerals. So what is adulteration? An addition or subtraction of some of legally prohibited substances into a form of more valuable genuine product, that is called adulteration. So adulteration in milk is nothing but any material which is or could be employed for milking and the milk is unsafe to drink is known as adulteration of milk. So adulteration, milk adulteration may be defined as any change in the natural level of milk ingredients. These may be brought about by addition of some foreign matter to milk or by removing some valuable ingredients, example like fat, removal of fat. So the first experiment, first detection process is detection of addition of starch in milk. So they add starch powders in milk to give the bulkiness and the mouthfeel to the milk. So this is an adulterant used. So the relevant information about this is iodine solution gives intense blue color with starch due to formation of an unstable complex starch compound. So when you add iodine, we can find out if it turns blue, then the presence of starch is there. So materials required for this is milk, 1% iodine solution, and apparatus is test tube and pipette. So nothing but you add the iodine solution in adulterated milk. When it turns blue, then it is definitely adulterated with starch. So the second one is detection of addition of cane sugar in milk. So to increase the sugar content in milk, cane sugar is added as an adulterant in milk. So yes, so resorcinol products that red color solution with sucrose in acidic media. So resorcinol powder is used to detect the cane sugar in milk. So the apparatus required is milk sugar that is in powdered form, then concentrated HCl, then resorcinol powder, then water bath. So first we have to take 10 ml of milk in a test tube, then add 1.1 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid and mix well. Then add 1 gram, 0.1 gram of resorcinol powder and mix thoroughly. Then place the tube in boiling water bath for 5 minutes. Then there you can see the color change happens to the contents. So what happens? The red color is developed. So if red color is developed, then there is definitely presence of cane sugar in the milk. So the third one is addition of water. Firstly, it is required to put a drop of milk on the polished vertical surface where and check the drop for few minutes such that either drop of milk stops or flows slowly from surface or leave a white trail behind it. In case adulterated milk will flow immediately from the vertical surface without any trace of white color or milk in that. So the uh, testing of water adulteration is done by sliding. Okay. Then skim milk or milk powder. So addition of skim milk or milk powder is legally prohibited. Legally allowed to some extent, but still the people use more. Industries they use more milk powders to adulterate milk. So to find out that, take well mixed pure milk sample in a jar. Note the temperature of the milk. Note the lactometer reading of the temperature at that temperature. Then find out the corrected lactometer reading. On similar line, take lactometer reading and temperature of the given sample of milk. Then calculate corrected lactometer reading of the given sample of milk. Compare the lactometer reading of the milk sample. Then calculation corrected factor. So with that and corrected lactometer reading and specific gravity, calculate the reading. Then fifth one is urea adulteration. So take 2 ml of milk in a test tube, add 2 ml of urea reagent, that is para dimethyl amino benzaldehyde. Then shake it well. Observed dark yellow color equal to urea present. So light yellow color, urea absent. So urea is generally added in the preparation of synthetic milk to raise the SNF value, that is not solid non-fat value. So if we increase the SNF value, then the rich flavor of the milk will increase, but that is unhealthy. Adding urea is unhealthy. Then addition of buffalo milk to cow milk. So we know that buffalo milk contains more fat percentage than cow milk. So adding buffalo milk to increase the fat percentage is also been done. Okay. Take 1 ml of milk in test tube and add 4 ml of water. So add 1 ml of anti-serum in a sample. The characteristic precipitation indicates the presence of buffalo milk. Uh, when the precipitation forms, then it indicates the presence of buffalo milk. Then detergent. So take 5 ml of milk in a test tube, add 0.1 ml of bromocerasol purple solution. Appearance of violet color indicates the presence of detergent in milk. Okay. Then vanaspati. So vanaspati is nothing but vegetable fat. Uh, so adding that to increase the fat percentage is done regularly. So take 3 ml of milk in a test tube, add 10 drops of HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Then mix 1 teaspoon of sugar. After 5 minutes, examine the mixture. If the red coloration indicates the presence of vanaspati in milk. So the solution turns from white to red when vanaspati is present. Then formalin. Formalin is a very deadly chemical that is used in milk as adulteration. So the procedure is take 10 ml of milk in a test tube and add 5 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid from the sides of the walls without shaking. If a violet or blue ring appears at the intersection of two ring layers, then it shows presence of formalin. So just we should observe the formation of ring like structure in the test tube. Then ammonium sulfate. Now, in this procedure, take 5 ml of hot milk, boiled hot milk in a test tube, add a suitable acid, that is citric acid. The whey obtained is separated and filtered. Take the whey in another test tube and add 0.5 ml of 5% barium chloride. Appearance of precipitation indicates the presence of ammonium sulfate. Then salt. Take 5 ml of silver nitrate reagent in a test tube. Add 2 to 3 drops of potassium dichromate reagent. Add 1 ml of water in the above test tube and mix thoroughly. If the milk turns yellow, then the presence of salt is achieved. Then hydrogen peroxide. So in this, take 10 ml of sample in a test tube, add 10 to 15 drops of vanadium pentoid, reagent and mix. Pink or red color indicates the presence of hydrogen peroxide. Removal of fat. So the lactometer will go above 26. The reading, lactometer reading will go above 26. Yeah, that's it for today's session. Thank you. Thank you so much.